Guys, ever wondered if you could get top-notch sound quality without breaking the bank? Well, you're in for a treat today because we're taking a look at some affordable wireless earbuds. These are the TOZO NC9s, and I can tell you that these bad boys have been making waves, and for good reason. So stick around to find out if they live up to the hype. Back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Scenes Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, these are the TOZO NC9 hybrid true wireless earbuds, and I have to start by saying that right now these rather great sounding earbuds, and yes, that is a bit of a spoiler alert, these retail at just £39.99. But you know what? Right now, at the time of this video going live, they're on Amazon for only £29.99. So for this review, please bear that in mind. Now guys, before we get into it, TOZO sent me these NC9s to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get these out of the box and see what we have. So guys, open up the box and we've got some paperwork, and a good point to note that these TOZO NC9s have got an 18-month warranty. So that's pretty cool. We also get a USB-C cable for charging, and we get 6 pairs of silicone tips. Yeah, 6 pairs of silicone tips. So you're always going to get the best fit. And last but not least guys, you get the NC9s in their charging case. Now looking around, you can see that these are nicely designed. They're compact and sleek, and they've got a nice matte finish which feels premium. And actually, they're really light as well, so carrying them around isn't going to be any trouble at all. Now guys, where things get interesting is the charging case has a display on the front showing battery levels for both earbuds and the case itself. And guys, I think that's pretty neat because you know what, even when you get into the top price zone with things like Apple's AirPods, you never really know how much juice you have until you open your iPhone to check. So having it on the case itself is definitely a useful touch. Now guys, first off, let's dive into sound quality, because you know what? These are earbuds after all, right? And the NC9s use 10mm dynamic drivers and TOZO's OrigX 2.0 acoustic technology. Now, whatever the names are, it's more important to know how they actually sound. Well, in a word, impressive. The audio is clean and detailed with a focus on mids and treble. Now, you know what? The bass is punchy and tight, though not overpowering. And you know what? If you want more low-end bass, then you know what? You can use the EQ settings in the app. Yeah, I mean, there is an app, right? And speaking of the app, you know what? It's a bit of a game changer. You can customize EQ settings, you can update firmware, you can even adjust the touch control, so which controls do what. And you know what, there's also a low latency mode for gaming and video watching, so that is pretty nice. And of course, let's not forget one of those killer features, yep, noise cancelling. And I have to say, for a set of earbuds that cost less than £30, they are surprisingly effective. It handles low frequencies like engine noise and speaking, background noise and stuff like that really well. And you know what? It's right up there with the other more expensive earbuds when it comes to higher pitch sounds, because sometimes, you know, higher pitch sounds are more tricky to kind of eradicate using noise cancellation, but these bad boys do a pretty good job. And you also get transparency mode, which is what I've got on right now, because quite frankly, if I had these in trying to talk to you and I didn't have that on, it would be rather difficult. But you know what? The transparency mode is impressive. Like I said, I can hear myself speaking, I can hear the noise in the room around me, and you know what? I don't have to remove the earbuds if I want to talk to somebody. So you know what? They work as advertised. And guys, these NC9s are not just great at delivering music, they're also pretty impressive for phone calls. With 6 microphones and environmental noise cancellation, your voice comes through really clear, even in noisy environments. Now guys, what about comfort? Well, I've got to tell you, these NC9s are lightweight. The case is lightweight, the earbuds are lightweight, and you know what? With the different ear tips, you're going to find a great fit. So comfort is definitely a tick in the box. And you know what? I know these are all positive things and there's always a few negatives, but you know, they're not really negatives. They're things, I guess, that would be on my wants list. And for one, for me, there's no wireless charging. You know, it's very convenient to just pop your earbuds on a wireless charger and let them charge away. It's not a deal breaker, but you know what? It'd have been a nice to have. And the fast charging isn't particularly fast either. So you know what? If there are 2 things I would like on my wants list, they will be the ones. But remember guys, this is perfect world stuff. And when we think back to that price point right now of only £29.99, well, at that price, the value of these bad boys is pretty hard to beat. Now guys, what about specs? Well, these earbuds boast Bluetooth 5.3 for stable connectivity. There's also water resistance with an IPX6 rating. So, you know, that's going to cover you for workouts, light rain, accidental splashes and all of that good stuff. And powering these bad boys is a battery with a life of up to 14 hours on a single charge without noise cancellation, and with ANC you're going to get around 7 to 8 hours. So you know what, that's pretty nice. And the total case playtime is around 59 hours. That is plenty of juice for your daily commute or long trips. So guys, there you have it. If you're looking for a set of hybrid ANC earbuds with great sound, solid noise cancellation and an impressive battery life without emptying your wallet, these earbuds are a bit of a no-brainer. These TOZO NC9 ANC earbuds prove that good audio doesn't have to cost a fortune. And remember guys, at the time of this video going live, you can grab these for only £29.99 on Amazon. I'll leave any product links in the description and any discount codes. And guys, if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to TOZO for sending me these cool and very cost-effective earbuds to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.